Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Spiderverse filter trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So in this video trend, you can basically create yourself into a Spider-Man, like this person here. So you can pose for the camera, and then it'll basically dress you up as a Spider-Man. So let me show you how to create this Spiderverse filter trend video on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok, tap on search, and you're searching for Spiderverse filter. In the search results, you're looking for Spiderverse filter, which looks like this. It has one of the main characters from the comic Spiderverse movie. Now to use this filter, go ahead and tap on use this effect at the bottom. This will take you into TikTok's recording screen. In the middle of the screen here, you'll see some text. You want to leave that as it is, as this is the AI description for this effect. Now the good part of this effect is your TikTok sound has been set. Now you can go ahead and tap on the record button and pose for the camera. And there you go, it has created me the Spiderverse trend video on TikTok. As you can see, this effect will work great if you record yourself from top to bottom. So do that as a recommendation. So there you go, that is how to create the Spiderverse filter trend video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.